Professional quality foot care at home. Daily Remedies 3-in-1 Foot Care Kit is the right step for callus, corn and skin buildup removal and cracked heel repair. Enjoy beautiful feet again. Professional Formula. Our potent callus remover gel and foot soak feature a double-action tea tree oil herbal formula that penetrates, rejuvenates and repairs rough feet. Gentle, effective exfoliation. Paired with our callus remover gel, our professional pedicure foot file gently scrubs off calluses and dead, rough buildup to reveal smooth, soft skin. Complete Foot Care Kit. Our 3-in-1 callus remover set gives you the pedicure tools you need for a spa-like experience at home. It's the best way to get smooth, soft, renewed feet. Made in the USA, American-made and cruelty-free, our foot care set is suitable for all skin types. Even men and women with sensitive skin can enjoy baby soft, healthy, radiant skin. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the money. With the pandemic, I was not going to the nail salon as often. This definitely came in handy to keep my feet smooth. Now I use it if I am unable to get a pedicure.